You know, I'm 1,500 years old. I've killed twice as many enemies as that, and every one of them would have rather killed me, but none succeed. I'm only alive because fate wants me alive. Thanos is just the latest in a long line of bastards, and he'll be the latest to fail my vengeance. Fate wills it so.
And what if you're wrong?
Well, if I'm wrong, then what more could I lose?
What's wrong with him?
He's pissed. He thinks he failed.
The future hasn't been kind to you, has it?
I didn't hail from the future.
I was raised by witches, boy. I see with more than eyes than your mother.
I'm totally from the future.
Yes, you are.
I really need to talk to you.